Hi guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm gonna be building a oxy-hydrogen generator. So basically what that is, it's just gonna be splitting the water up into oxygen and hydrogen. And then I'm gonna play a bit with the oxy-hydrogen because it is very flammable and I think it's quite exciting. So that's what I'll be building today. So first things first, I'm going to use these washers here as the electroplates, but first I need to drill in some holes. Alright, so I'll be trying this method. I taped about, I think it was 12 of them, or I'm not sure. I taped them, glued them together with a glue gun. I think this would be working better because now if I drill into them, the holes will be straight through all of them and I can do multiple at a time. Oh well, it seems to have done a decent job actually. I think the glue is getting soft also, so yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that's not gonna fly. It's a bit skew. Don't know what happened there. Alright, so I've got 28 of these now. With the little pilot holes in them. I'll put through the 6mm hole now. Alright, so I tried this one now. It's working, but it's spinning around a lot, so I don't have a clamp. I'm gonna try and maybe see if this works. Super glue, well, I'll glue them to the board and hopefully they'll stay there, then I can drill into them. It works quite well, I'm quite happy with it. These, there's glue still stuck to them. I'm gonna try and get all the glue off. And then I'm just gonna sand it up a bit to get the surface all rough. Here I'll be cutting the rods. The rods are going to go through the holes in the washers and provide electricity to the system. Alright, so for the container, I'm going to use like this instant coffee glass jug. Well, I got this clear tubing. So I'll be assembling the rod part of this hydrogen generator. It's pretty simple, it does look a bit complicated, but all I'm doing is putting the electroplates on these rods and then putting them in some insulation that will insulate every second rod or plate in the system. Which just ensures that the electrical flow has to go through the entire rod and not just connect at the top and not flow through the water. Alright, so I got my contraption here. I'll just quickly work on the bubbler, just for safety reasons. The smaller container here, it's going to be our bubbler. Got 2 holes in here at the top. Alright, so just to make the water more conductive, I'm putting in some sodium carbonate. This is just a very strong electrolyte. It is very basic, so be careful with this. So yeah, it's just gonna make the electricity flow better in the water, and that's gonna mean that we get to split more oxygen and hydrogen quicker. Right, So there we have our generator. Just need to get up to some power. Alright, so for those of you who remember my light bulb, I'm using the same board that I made there. Just hooked it up to the two wires here at the top. I'm ready to test it now. Just sealed it up a bit here with the glue gun. Same here. There'll probably be some leakage here, but oh well. I also added this thing here for extra prevented for some safety features. So what this is hopefully going to do is, if a flame does travel up this tube and explode something in here, hopefully it will shoot this up here instead of exploding the jar. So I don't know, let's see how that goes, but I'm just gonna go switch it on now. Let's see what happens. Alright, so it's bubbling now. Gonna wait and see if any bubbles form somewhere or what happens. So then move back a bit. Alright, so let's do some testing. I'm gonna suck some of this oxy-hydrogen out of this tank and then just light it on fire. Alright, so let's do a 5 milliliter, I'm not sure, 5 milliliter test. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that was fun. Let's try 10 millimeter. Oh wow. Let's try 15 millimeters. 20 millimeters. There we go. So the reason this oxy-hydrogen is so explosive is because when the generator breaks the water down into hydrogen and oxygen, it produces the perfect amount of oxygen and hydrogen to form water again. Nice. So in this state, it just wants to go back to water, and just a slight spark would almost instantly turn it back into water. Alright guys, so this did just explode. Yeah, I think I'm done for now. I'm just gonna say again, please don't try this at home, and yeah, thanks for watching.